It's been a pleasure to work with Andrei. We've been like team members rather than sort of just a random contractor. So yeah, we get on the phone quite regularly, have a bit of a chat and a bit of a laugh. So it's yeah, Andrei brings good energy to the team. I'm Cory, one of the directors of Ark Bathrooms. Started off as just a plumbing business and then transformed into a bathroom renovation business. Doing bathrooms for 35 plus years, but only rebranded about 6 years ago. Since the rebranding, yeah, obviously things have taken off. Before meeting trading marketing pros, we were just relying a lot on referrals, to be honest. So yeah, and obviously flyers and that sort of marketing. Some of the biggest challenges we faced prior to using trading marketing pros was definitely just getting new leads and good leads. Some of the leads that were coming to us just didn't have the budget or didn't have the knowledge or expectations of how much bathrooms cost. Since transforming our landing page and everything else, it's kind of all flowed. We definitely needed help with marketing because obviously things are changing and we needed someone who was an expert with Google. We tried all the same things as what Trading Marketing Pros has done with us, and that's Google Ads, landing pages, but I just don't think anyone else could quite execute it as well as them. We just wanted to increase leads volume slightly, but more importantly, just getting better quality leads for Ark Bathrooms. Why we worked with your marketing company was because we've got another company, a service business, and that we were using it there. It worked really well. So we're like, why not have a crack with using it with the renovations as well. We feel safe. Yeah, working with Andrei, we're not calling him, reminding him of what needs to be done or what's not working. He rings us before it happens, so we just feel safe and secure. Yeah, the biggest strategy that Andrei's introduced to us is definitely just our landing page and making sure that it builds trust, and obviously making sure it's nice and pretty, and then obviously Google Ads. I think our reviews and everything flow off the back of that. There's been a whole list of positive changes in our business. We've got more bathrooms we're completing per week. We're booked out now, it's June, so we're currently taking bookings for October. So it's almost like we've got a different sort of a problem that is like people are turning us away because the wait time's too long. So we've gone from selling 5 to 10 bathrooms per month to now selling between 20 and 30 bathrooms per month. Yeah, the growth in the marketing, obviously we're getting more leads, so it's forced us to put better systems in place to make sure we can manage the leads. Since having you manage all our marketing, we literally can't keep up with the work. It's literally, I got on the phone to you yesterday afternoon and asked if you could turn down our spend on Google because we literally can't keep up. It's a great feeling, once again a safe and secure feeling that the business is now 3 to 4 months booked out. You know, essentially, especially coming into Christmas, we can kind of unwind a little bit and just focus on the leads and the jobs that we've already sold. What excites me the most about the business is the fact that I can turn on or off our marketing. So I'm not now like chasing leads. I know that if I need more leads, I just ask you to turn it up and away we go. I would definitely recommend you to companies outside of our region, but I don't want too many of our competitors knowing who you are. If I was chatting to another builder, renovation company, I would definitely advise them to jump on a call with Andrei and move out of Brisbane so you're not competing with us. Most importantly, we're running a profitable business, so our team are being looked after and keen and willing to stay working with us, and therefore we can continue to grow. So I think it's a bit of a no-brainer to jump on a call with Andrei because he literally cares about you. He calls you before you need to call him. He's always one step ahead. He's always thinking of new ideas. He literally messages me like at 11 p.m. sometimes, just with new ideas, and not only just with marketing, but like sales and like how to manage our leads and CRMs. We didn't even have a CRM until we started working with Andrei, and he just guides us with businesses as a whole, not just marketing. For those who don't know, obviously Andrei is a plumber by trade. So I think having that background knowledge of what trades and services need definitely helps him understand the market, yeah, not just from a marketing point of view, but from a service and trade point of view.